Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales. Today taking a look at a brand new Reflection 150 Series fifth wheel. Just arrived here on the lot. Don't mind us as we work around the snow removal equipment today. We got a 226 RK, nice half-ton towable unit by Grand Design. You see all kinds of great features on this one. On the outside, contact us for the more intimate details, but there's a nice backup camera, built-in ladder, walkable roof. Again, this one a 226 RK Reflection 150 series. So we've got a rear kitchen model. As you walk in, you'll notice that the kitchen starts immediately to your left. Big slide here with the fridge on it and a entertainment center, entertainment console, place to sit. Enjoy yourself. You can flip down that middle console, set a couple beverages in. The Thomas Paine chairs, they will recline, they will heat, they will vibrate, and they'll have a little bit of a light source underneath and in the cup holders as well, so you can see what you're doing in the dark. All very important stuff. Swinging around and take a look at the dinette. That dinette will drop down to create a little bit of extra space for sleeping. We'll sit right down in the Thomas Paine recliner and take a look at your entertainment center. So your TV is mounted above the dinette and you can see some nice storage above there as well. Take another look at the storage underneath the seats. And then just as you walk in, there's also a storage unit here, a spot for some shoes, and a couple drawers to keep some things right handy and nearby. We've got USB chargers here as well as some plugs, and of course Grand Design mounts their heating ducts vertically so that you have a solid state floor. We'll wheel around and take a look at the kitchen itself. Great storage above. High-rise faucet with the rollers on top of the sink. 2-compartment farm style sink there, stainless steel. Nice and neat, modern looking. Got a nice big Furion range or microwave over top of the range, 3-burner propane cooktop, and a good size oven underneath with all kinds of drawer storage as well. Good counter space to do your prep, and a nice big open window to air things out as you're doing your cooking. So that's a nice living space for a half-ton towable fifth wheel of this size, a 226 RK. Unit comes in around 28 feet total. Again, towable with most and select half tons. All kinds of great features in the Reflection line. You can control this through your phones, do some diagnostics, turn your lights on and off, put your awning out, as well as your slides, all from the comfort of Bluetooth on your phone. Crazy modern technology in these Grand Design RVs. Heading upstairs, see the bathroom on your immediate right. Good sized bathroom, foot flush porcelain toilet. Storage cabinet there. You can see at the back of the shower you've got a little spot to hang a few things if you want to hang some stuff to dry. Nice little pocket there to keep your shower accessories in. Three door sliding glass doors to cover your shower up. Nice skylight to get some light in there, and of course a little ventilation. On the other side of the bathroom you've got a medicine cabinet, little storage spot there. Towel ring is already installed in this one. Good size sink in this one. They've actually made the sinks a little bigger and deeper this year. And we've got storage underneath, drawers on the left, and a little cupboard right underneath the sink. That'll also help access some of your plumbing. Heading into the bedroom, we've got a walk-around queen bed. You see carpet on either side, so you get out of the bed in these cold mornings, you can set your feet down on a nice comfortable carpet. It is the only spot where you're going to see carpet in the unit aside from on the slide itself. Opposing windows in this one opens things up to get you a nice pass through of air, get a little current going. If you want to hang a second TV in here, there is a spot. There's going to be a stud in the wall there that you can mount a TV as well as your plugs right above. Storage above the bed. You've got sconces on either side to light that up, and if you want to charge your phone at night, you can see there that little green light is a USB charging port, and there's a little shelf there you can set your devices on, and there's also plugs on either sides. People like to keep things charging next to the bed, maybe a CPAP machine, nice and convenient. You've also got small storage drawers on either side, so you can keep a few things up and out of sight. You don't have to leave things lying around, which is also a nice touch. And of course, the headboard is padded for your safety. Wheeling around, and another feature we really like about this, a couple things I really like about the trailer. You've got the built-in wardrobe, So not putting that on the slide actually helps make it lighter and still makes good use of the space that passes through, obviously, on the other side of the bathroom. But good storage space in there for shirts, and then some drawers for other items that you may want to keep in here. And then again, probably my favorite feature in the Grand Design is the sliding barn style door, which creates a little bit more open space because you don't have the swinging effect of a door. So your flow through to get from the bedroom to the bathroom to the living space is a little bit cleaner. So this has been a look at the 2022 Reflection 226 RK by Grand Design. Beautiful half-ton towable fifth wheel. Just arrived here on the lot. We've got it all cleaned up, spruced up, and ready to go. Come on and have a look at it as we head into the month of February. Now's the time to start thinking about your unit for spring. Get yourself a brand new trailer that you like. We've got all kinds of units here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam Sis. And of course, Leisure Time Sales up in Moncton has a great selection of new and pre-owned units for you as well. Hope to see you soon, folks.